Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video we are gonna unbox and test the Oakter Mini UPS, which can be used as a backup for CC cameras, routers and devices which runs on 12 volts. I brought this from Amazon for 1174 rupees. This is the box I received. There is just a sticker of the brand. That's it on the box. On the back we have some specifications and features of the product. It's completely made in India product. Oakter claims 4 hours of backup and it completely depends on the current consumption of your Wi-Fi router or the device which you use. It uses 3 BI SID-fed 18650 batteries. Okay, let's open this box and see the device. Okay, we have a card here. Oh, it's a user manual. Just 3 simple steps to install. And we have a connector. And this is the UPS. This is lightweight. On the top we have the on-off switch, the input port and the output cable. The output goes to the router and the input you have to plug in the AC adapter. On the back we have a sticker mentioning output input. It's completely built from plastic and the top and the bottom feels really cheap, but the device is compact and lightweight. We also have a connector which can be used to connect to another router in case you need it. You can reach out on WhatsApp for any complaints and replacements. Here's the number. I have charged this device separately for 4 to 5 hours before using it and getting a backup of 2 to 3 hours. For my router, which is a 12 volt 1.5 amp, the build could have been better and there is no indication for charging and battery percentage. Maybe that's part of the cost cutting. If you need a backup of 2 to 3 hours and the budget is low, you can check out this product. It does the job. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be back with another video. Do subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.